Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FET is currently reacting to that micro support zone that we discussed in previous videos. So the idea is, if I zoom out a little bit, that FET is currently moving up in a C wave of a larger A wave, which could then be followed by a B wave correction before we rally in a final move up into the, well, $6, $7, $8 region. We talked about those targets in previous videos. I can quickly show you the FET long-term chart, which could provide some more clarity because it just tells you the relevant upside levels. So assumption is we are likely in the C wave late stages of that A wave, could then get a B wave correction before we get a final rally in wave C of 5 of an even larger C wave. No reason to get confused. A, B, C, right? Take your time to check out that structure on your own in your own time. But 485 would be the first all-time high target I can offer. I would prefer the price to get to at least 622 or maybe even 871 in this cycle. It will surely. I mean, let's assume I'm watching for a larger ABC, okay? But if it goes to, let's say, 622 directly, I mean, yeah, it's likely gonna finish it in one go, but that's not necessarily expected, right? So that just gives you an idea of where things could be, and not only could be, it should be going actually. And looking at the smaller time frame, yeah, I mean, the price has reacted to support. We see that development on various crypto charts at the moment. Some it was more obvious, this pullback as a correction, on some less, but might really be that we're now on our way in this internal C wave of wave 5. And yeah, I mean, it takes a little bit more upside momentum to really confirm a reversal, but it's always good to see when the market is reacting to support and when the prices are stretching out of support and are starting to rally and go into the expected direction. So, of course, you can never guarantee that support holds, but if we have a nice pullback into the support area, it's great. The problem, obviously, that we have on several charts is that the rally was in 3 waves, and so it's always, I would say, more difficult to navigate. It's 10 times more difficult to navigate and count a structure like that than it would be to deal with an impulse. But, well, we give our best, and as you can see, the levels are still holding. So 161 to 175 was micro support. The price reacted to the 166 level, the 61.8 retracement, one of the most relevant Fibonacci levels that we're dealing with across this, well, in the financial markets. Golden ratio level, not only relevant in financial markets, but also relevant in everywhere, human body, architecture, the universe, everywhere. So it's a powerful one, and the price is now on its way up, and it takes a break now above 190. 190 or 1.905 is the next objective for the bulls, to get the price above that level. And then talking about further resistances here, $2.11. I mean, that's where the previous high was. 225. I know that I think on Coinbase it even reached that level. Okay, so in the last update I was a bit disappointed because it hadn't reached it. That 178.6 extension. I mean, it already, the price reached already ideal extensions in this third wave, absolutely. But I was watching for a move to 225, but I realized on Coinbase that actually happened. So that's where the crypto sector is a little bit like the Wild West, right? So 225, next upside level, and then 240 maybe in this move, yeah? That would be ideal because like 1 or 2 Fib levels higher than the last one. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.